Are you looking to replace the lawnmower in your garden? You only need to look at the best lawn mowers with batteries. We'll look at the top 3 battery-powered lawn mowers in this video, which will make gardening a pleasure.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Lawnmaster 19-inch lawn mower. Thanks to its sturdy 40V lithium-ion battery, the Lawnmaster 19-inch model stands out among the best battery-powered lawn mowers. This powerful mower is a great option for people with medium to large-sized lawns because it not only cuts for a full 40 minutes on a single charge, but its 19-inch cutting deck also allows it to cover a vast area. This mower's flexibility is what makes it unique. With 3,600 RPM of power and no need for gas or oil maintenance, take on your yard. Powered for up to 40 minutes by two 24 volts max 4.0 ampere-hour lithium-ion batteries. When you mow your lawn, use this sophisticated and automatic power management system to save energy and increase efficiency. The mower has mulching and side discharge options. Effortlessly adjust the height of your cut with 6 different cutting settings, ranging from 1.4 to 3.4 inches. With 6.7-inch wheels and an 18-inch cutting width, it's simple to maneuver about the lawn. Folding push handles allow for incredibly little storage. This mower performs excellently no matter what, whether you're taking on thick grass or keeping up a neatly trimmed lawn. It guarantees your garden will look its best with the least amount of work. On number 2, we have Lawnmaster 17-inch lawn mower. Entering the world of small but powerful garden equipment, the Lawnmaster 17-inch lawn mower is a great option for people with small yards or low storage. With a 40V lithium-ion battery, this device has an impressive 42-minute runtime, balancing ease and efficiency for quick, focused gardening sessions. The device runs for up to 42 minutes on two 24V max 4.0 ampere-hour lithium-ion batteries, while the bag gathers 13 liters of lawn clippings. When you mow your lawn, this sophisticated and automatic power management system will help you save energy and increase efficiency. Easily adjust the height of your cut with 5 different cutting locations, ranging from 1.4 to 3 inches. With its 7.8-inch back wheels and 16-inch cutting breadth, it's easy to maneuver across the grass. Take advantage of easy storage options featuring push handles that fold down for incredibly small stowing. Its ergonomic design, which aims to lessen strain and transform lawn mowing from a chore into a fun aspect of garden upkeep, further enhances this simplicity of use. On number 3, we have Worx 40V 14-inch lawn mower. The Worx 40V 14-inch lawn mower stands out as a great option for gardeners looking for a lightweight, high-performing lawn care instrument. This mower has a dependable 40V lithium-ion battery that powers it. The Worx PowerShare platform offers over 140 power tools, outdoor power equipment, and lifestyle products that can be conveniently utilized with the same PowerShare batteries that power this push lawnmower. Cutting speed is automatically adjusted by patented sensor technology to suit the conditions of the grass. When it identifies dense grass, IntelliCut speeds up the cutting process for a smoother mow. When the turf is less demanding, it slows down to conserve battery life. This lightweight lawn mower weighs less than 30 lbs and is simple to push over slopes. The small 14 deck easily slices through tight spaces. The easy carry handle offers smooth transportation, and the fully foldable handle saves storage space. To ensure that your cordless mower is always mowing at the perfect height for your lawn, a single lever quickly raises and lowers the cutting deck from 1.5 inches to 3.5 inches. To further improve the mowing experience, its lightweight build guarantees simple transportation and agility. So these are some of the best lawn mowers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.